So let's see what M3FR looks like in practice. In our previous modules, we have gone over the theory behind M3FR, the basic principles in that we have specific clinician aspects, meaning we have the aspect of stacking, which we draw from osteopathic literature. We have client aspects of mindfulness, breathing, relaxation, and we have the third aspect of adding in movement initially passively in the case of injury or significant tissue restriction, and then moving on to active range of motion. For a client, such as our model here, who doesn't have an injury, they can, of course, in that specific part, they can transition into active range of motion quite quicker compared to someone who is rehabbing an injury. So those are the three basic tenets of M3FR. The clinician component of osteopathic stacking and the two client components of mindfulness and range of motion, which we kind of share. So today for this demonstration, we are going to take the example of the forearm. During the subsequent modules, we will be focusing on the thorax, the abdomen, and the external pelvis. But for the sake of simplicity and ease, we are going to start with focusing on the forearm. So, to quickly review, we know our clients do best when they can actively participate in their care. We don't want clients who are just laying on the table and just having things done to them. When we actively involve someone in the healing process, we get results quicker and we get results that stick. Right? So, here when we demonstrate, I am going to have my wonderful model breathe mindfully, exhale, visualize changes in her tissue as I manipulate it as well.